it's your girl, Kayana. And so I got a new cup, because y'all know, if you know me for real, you know that I'm a Skull Candy girl. And so I got the new cup. Okay, so then let's see from here, because this is going to be the unboxing. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that's kind of clean. Let me see. Ain't got no nails, but you know, I'll make it in. Alright. So what we're looking at here is the box. Pretty cool. And then they are kind of big. They don't look that big in like the videos, but they are kind of big. And other one. New headphones. Who this? Alright. But anyway, yeah, so your girl gonna check them out and then get back to y'all about it. Alright then.